Good afternoon, friends. I'm here with my guardian angels, my nephew Brandon, my mother Ruhangis. We are sharing some interfaith prayers for humanity and for peace. My nephew will go first. We have the honor of having him visit us today. All right, buddy.
Oh God, guide me, protect me, make me a shining lamp and a bright star. Thou art my mighty and powerful.
Thank you, Brandon. Very nice prayer. And now my mother.
والا ای بنده حق همتی بنما و دامنی به کمر زن و قصد مقامی بلندتر از افلاک نما. ای بنده حق رخش سریع حاضر میدان وسیع موجود گوی سعادت در پیش و چوگان عنایت در دست. وقت جولان است و ربودن گوی از میدان. من آنچه شرط بلاغ است با تو میگویم. بشتاب که وقت تنگ است و آهنگ مطرب نزدیک به انتها. اگر در این بعد کف نزنی دف نزنی آواز نخوانی و شهناز بلند نکنی دیگر در چه زمان مخمور و مست گردی. عبدالبها عباس.
Merci, Aizam. Thank you. So I have a selection. I'm going to first read from the New Testament, the introduction to the Sermon on the Mount. Now when Jesus saw the crowds, he went up on a mountainside and sat down. His disciples came to him and he began to teach them. He said, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven, for in the same way they persecuted the prophets who were before you." This is from the book of Matthew 5. I will go back to some English prayers, pero primero quiero hacer una oración en español para mis hermanos y hermanas inmigrantes. Él es el compasivo, el todo generoso. Oh Dios, mi Dios, tú me ves, tú me conoces, tú eres mi asilo y mi refugio. A nadie he buscado ni a nadie buscaré salvo a ti. Ningún sendero he hollado ni sendero alguno hollaré sino el sendero de tu amor. En la lúgubre noche de la desesperación, mi expectante mirada llena de esperanza se dirige hacia la aurora de tu ilimitado favor, y al amanecer mi alma lánguida es vivificada y fortalecida por el recuerdo de tu belleza y perfección. Aquel a quien auxilia la gracia de tu misericordia, aunque fuera solo una gota, se convertiría en un océano sin límites. Y el más insignificante átomo que fuese ayudado por la fusión de tu cariñosa bondad brillaría como una estrella radiante. Cobija bajo tu protección, oh tu espíritu de pureza, tú quien eres el proveedor todo generoso, a este cautivo e inflamado siervo tuyo, Ayúdale en este mundo de la existencia a permanecer constante y firme en tu amor. Y permite que este pájaro de alas rotas alcance un refugio y un amparo en tu divino nido que se halla en el árbol celestial. And this is a really good book. I highly recommend it to anyone who is interested in interfaith dialogue. These are interfaith prayers from all the different religions. Let's see. This is a prayer from the Mohawk people of New York. Let us be happy on earth. O Great Spirit, O Creator of all things, human beings, trees, grass, berries, help us be kind. Help us, be kind to us. Let us be happy on earth. Let us lead our children to a good life and old age. These are people, give the good minds to love one another. Be kind to us, give these people the favor to see green trees, green grass, flowers and berries this next spring, so we all meet again, O Great Spirit. We ask of you. This is a Sabbath prayer from the 17th century from the Jewish faith. It says, the Hebrew phrase Tikkun Olam means healing the world. A central belief of Judaism is that each generation must pray and work in partnership with God towards universal harmony and peace. Peace to you, ministering angels, messengers of the Most High. From the King of Kings, the Holy One, the blessed be He. Enter in peace, angels of peace, messengers of the Most High. Enter in peace, angels of peace, messengers of the Most High. From the King of Kings, the Holy One, blessed be He. Bless me with peace, angels of peace, messenger of the Most High. From the King of Kings, the Holy One, blessed be He. Depart in peace, angels of peace, messengers of the Most High. From the King of Kings, the Holy One, blessed be He. This is a Hindu prayer for peace. I desire neither earthly kingdom nor even freedom from birth and death. I desire only the deliverance from grief of all those afflicted by misery. O Lord, lead us from the unreal to the real, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. May there be peace in celestial regions. May there be peace on earth. May the waters be appeasing, may herbs be wholesome, and may trees and plants bring peace to all. May all beneficent beings bring peace to us. May thy wisdom spread peace all through the world. May all things be a source of peace to all and to me. O Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. O Krishna, Lord of Yoga. Surely blessing and victory and power shall not fail for thy most mighty sake. A Zoroastrian prayer for the triumph of peace. May peace triumph over discord here, generous giving over avarice, reverence over contempt, a speech with truthful words over lying utterance. May the righteous order gain the victory. This is from the Avesta, the holy book of the Zoroastrians. This is a Unitarian Universalist prayer. Spirit of life. Spirit of life, come unto me Sing in my heart all the stirrings of compassion. Blow in the wind, rise the sea. Move in the hand, giving life, the shape of justice. Roots hold me close, wings set me free. Spirit of life, come to me, come to me. There's just a couple more, I promise. I'm sorry this was so long, but I really like these prayers. Okay, so just one more. This is a Baha'i prayer, and it's for unity of mankind. That's my bird Blue Jr. He's very smart and very handsome and well educated. O thou provider, the dearest wish of this servant of thy thirst hold is to behold the friends of East and West in close embrace, to see all the members of human society gathered with love in a single great assemblage, even as individual drops of water collected in one mighty sea. To behold them all as birds in one garden of roses, as pearls of one ocean, as leaves of one tree, as rays of the sun. Thou art the mighty, the powerful, and thou art the God of strength, the omnipotent, the all-seeing. You see, friends, all religions come from the same source. No matter what religion you practice, it all comes from the same God. Also, godless atheists. I've seen many atheists who do kindness for the sake of kindness and have a good moral character and an ethical conduct, even though they don't believe in the afterlife. They do it with no expectation, and that's more Christ-like than many of the things that people are doing nowadays. So, we love you. Please take care of yourselves. Pray for peace. I don't know if God listens to my prayers, but He surely listens to the prayers of my nephew and my mother, who are my guardian angels. So, we love you. Take care.